How balanced are they on they're all in the Bryce Petty and what numbers he's putting up, but they also
Yeah, honestly, I actually thought coming into the game that they passed more just because I know how fast their offense is. But as I started to watch film and I'm starting to get familiar with their offense, they're pretty balanced when it comes to their attack. I feel like their run game opened up their pass game, so I feel like they'll keep doing whatever is successful. So the running the ball is what they get the success off of. I feel like they keep doing that, but that always opens up Bryce Petty. So we gotta stop the run off rip, and then everything else will fall into place.
I know you weren't here the past 2 years, but they've all been shootouts, and some of the games you've been in, they've just close and very much of a shootout. What are you expecting from years past?
Well, I know they can score, so that's pretty much the only past memory I get from it is that they almost scored 100 points. So we got real. It's a sensitive area when it comes to that. So the defense is taking this personal when it comes to this game because we're not gonna let that happen again.
It's also important getting pressure on the quarterback and the quarterback being a game like this.
Oh, it's going to be a difference between who does the game and we get to the quarterback. We got to get to the quarterback on a consistent basis the whole game for us to be successful.
Turnovers as well.
Yeah, so we need more turnovers. That's one point that our coach is trying to focus on. Getting more turnovers, not just doing your job, but doing the extra, making other plays, just to get the ball back into the offense.
Where would you evaluate where you're at right now?
Talk about how I've been playing.
Yeah, where you're at right now. You individually.
Well, I'm a perfectionist, so I always try to, I try to do the best I can when it comes to me personal. So I feel like I'm still a project. I'm nowhere near where I want to be.
So you're a Gardner Red Sox you watch some football at this level. Did you watch it thinking, I can be out there play at this level?
I mean, ever since I left high school, I always felt like I was the best at what I did. So that's always been the chip on my shoulder that I've had, never getting that FBS chance, never having that offer, never having no visits, none of that. So that's kind of what pushed me to my career so far, is because people didn't think I'd be where I'm at today.
How frustrating was that?
I mean, it was frustrating, but I got a strong belief in God, so I'm a firm believer He has my path already made up in His plan. So I was really, after it didn't happen, that was what God had intention for me to do. So it wasn't really no frustration after that.
How different was it when you decided to leave Gardner Webb and go somewhere else and you had the
it was like night and day. It actually felt like a recruiting process. Coaches called my phone every day. I had every offer in the back in like 2 days. So it was different, but I thought it was funny. I wouldn't give attention to certain schools just because they never looked at me before. So like, I'm not going to go to them when I got to where they want me to be if they didn't want me in the beginning. So that's kind of why I choose the decisions that I choose. Not no school specifically, but just in general.
I mean, I'm sure.